Hey guys, so today we're gonna be unboxing the new 9" Nails Doc Martens, aka the I Wanna Fuck You Like an Animal Force ones. These shoes are fire online and I've decided to get them. I got the downward spiral album cover version, so let's see what's inside the box. Okay, so these shoes are freaking fire, as you can see. It's basically the downward spiral album cover. Oh, I didn't notice that. The back of the shoe is the logo of 9" Nails. And it has a zipper too on both sides. This one says nothing can stop me now. And this one says the downward spiral 9" Nails. Even the zipper is fire. It says 9" Nails. Okay, so right now I'm about to try these on. I have on the Yeezys on, but I'm about to throw these away because I'm about to put these on right now. Bro, these are freaking fire. So I have them on right now. They look dope. And I could walk really freaking well on these. I give these shoes a 10 out of 10. Give this video 5 stars. And subscribe to your boy. Peace.